In today's world of electric cars, we're diving into a comparison of 3 hybrid vehicles, a $20,000 option, a $120,000 model, and a $2 million high-performance hybrid. This video serves as an explainer to experience some impressive rides. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, you probably noticed the recent surge in popularity of electric cars, but hybrids still hold their ground as a viable option, especially considering their efficiency advantages. Let's start with the Corolla Hybrid, priced at $24,000. This vehicle is all about efficiency. Its hybrid system allows for power from both the gas engine and the electric motor, delivering a combined 138 horsepower. It features a small 1.6 kilowatt-hour battery that captures energy through regenerative braking, allowing for an impressive 50 miles per gallon. Driving efficiency becomes a game with its Eco Score, encouraging mindful driving for maximum fuel economy. Moving up the price ladder, we have the BMW 750e, starting at about $100,000. This hybrid offers versatility, boasting a 3-liter straight-six engine and a 14.4 kilowatt-hour battery, resulting in a total of around 500 horsepower. Unlike the Corolla, the BMW is a plug-in hybrid, allowing for electric-only driving for short distances. It strikes a balance between electric efficiency and the practicality of a gas-powered vehicle. And now, for the pinnacle of hybrid performance, we have the McLaren Speedtail, priced at a staggering $2.5 million. Designed purely for performance, this hybrid system combines a twin-turbo V8 engine with a high-powered electric motor, delivering over 1,000 horsepower. Unlike the previous hybrids, efficiency takes a backseat to raw speed and power, with no electric-only mode and a focus on maximizing acceleration and aerodynamics. While electrification remains the future of automotive technology, hybrids present a compelling option in the interim. From affordable efficiency to high-performance luxury, hybrids offer versatility and innovation that shouldn't be overlooked. So, while we look forward to the electric future, let's appreciate the advancements and possibilities that hybrids bring to the table.